Well, everyone, we found the fishing hole.
Nice. Can I have that worm?
Did you find it, Ty? You think it's a good one?
Yeah.
What about you, Freddie?
Oh, look at this fat worm.
Ooh, let me see.
That's
Good
nice.
one. Freddie, do you think we found a good fishing hole?
Yep.
Shaded under a tree. Papa's baiting the hooks.
Whoa. Can
The
you do
swimming
next
pool
time?
is right here. So if we decide we want to go swimming, there it is. That's why they're in their swimming suits. There's the bike barn. We don't need that
Fat
because
worms.
we have
There's
bikes.
big fat worms in
But-
here.
That's where we bought the bait. Okay,
Big
I'll
fat.
come back when we catch fish.